Blockchain as a service covers the following: smart contracts, which includes uses of supply chain, digital rights, wagers or bets, escrow, and ERP, or enterprise resource planning. Blockchain as a service also covers digital currency, which can be used in e-commerce, global payments, remittance, P2P lending, and microfinance. Blockchain as a service also covers securities, including equity, private markets, debt, crowdfunding services, and derivatives. Lastly, blockchain as a service covers record keeping, including healthcare records, title records, ownership, voting, and intellectual property.